What do you have in your hands? You got knife and
a watermelon.
Watermelon.
That's my favorite. It is brown.
So what all the fruits and vegetables do you have here?
Banana, pepper, grape, apple. Hey, that's your favorite fruit.
Yeah.
Strawberry. Hey, that's your strawberry.
Yeah.
Hey, that's my favorite fruit. Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Eggplant.
Eggplant. That's right.
Corn and peach. And compote and a knife.
Okay. Now, what do you want to do with these fruits and vegetables?
Cut them.
You want to cut them. Okay. Let's take one at a time and cut them.
I can take strawberry.
Okay, let's
What's your
cut.
favorite?
That is my favorite.
What's your favorite?
Let's cut the strawberry.
Here, Mommy.
Thank you.
Oh,
Cut it in 2 pieces. Thank you.
yeah.
1 and 2.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut a banana.
Okay, the next fruit is banana.
Wait. That's your favorite.
That is my favorite. You're right. Banana is my favorite. Bananas and strawberries. Sounds yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Bananas and strawberries are fruits.
Banana, strawberry, and shake.
You can make shake from it. That's true. And what do you have in your hands? You got knife and
A watermelon.
watermelon.
That's my favorite fruit.
That is your favorite. What do you like to make from watermelon?
Maybe probably seeds.
You like to make seeds? What do we usually make out of watermelon? Something you like to drink? What is it called?
Corn
Corn is vegetable.
and watermelon.
Yeah.
I'll cut both of them.
Okay.
You can take one out.
But your favorite is watermelon juice, right?
Yeah, but
Love
look
drinking
at the
watermelon.
seeds.
There are a lot of seeds, that's true.
That's my favorite.
Corn. Yummy, yummy. You like to eat corn on the cob, I know that.
Nom, 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 nom. Ate it all.
You ate it all?
Nom, nom, nom. Ate it all.
Good job.
Mm.
The next vegetable you're gonna cut is
Eggplant.
eggplant. What color is eggplant?
Green and purple.
That's right. You just cut the eggplant. Good job.
And the
corn
banana
and banana.
and the strawberry
Strawberry.
and the watermelon
That's right. The next vegetable,
is pepper.
pepper. What color is pepper?
Green and red.
That's right. The top is green, and the vegetable part, the main part is red.
Here you go, Mommy.
Thank you.
It's super spicy.
That's right. Pepper is spicy. It's a chili pepper.
Chili.
Chili, chili, chili.
Chili is very spicy.
The pepper is very spicy. Don't eat pepper just like that. You only eat it a little bit. A little bit at a time. Otherwise, it will burn your mouth.
Ah!
Next fruit is
Apple.
apple. Apple
That's
is
your-
a fruit, right?
That's your favorite.
That is my favorite. Red Delicious, Mommy's favorite.
What's the color of the fruit, Mommy?
What is the color of the fruit?
Red.
Red. Good job. Apple is red.
Like the pepper.
Like the pepper.
And like strawberry.
Like the strawberry. That's correct. Good job. Next fruit is
Orange.
orange. Whose favorite is orange?
Probably you. What's the color?
Who else loves oranges?
Maybe Dookie.
You think Dookie likes oranges? Oh, Dookie likes all kind of other stuff. But he does like oranges. It is correct.
Yeah. What's the color of the orange?
What is it? That's a good question.
Green and yellow.
Good
Just like the
job.
banana and like the corn.
That is correct.
This is not peach. It's orange.
That's right. This is
Who's
orange.
else the color orange?
Mhm.
Green and orange.
It's not really that orange, right? Orange is supposed to be orange, but it looks more like yellow. Even though, cut it in half and we'll see that it's actually orange. Maybe it's lemon.
No, it's orange.
Yeah, let's see the inside. Ooh, the inside's orange, so,
I wonder what's...
So
Hey,
maybe
what
it is
these
orange.
are mine? What these are? What these are
These are the
mine?
inside of the orange that you can eat. Full of vitamin C. Yummy, yummy. Good in
Ew!
the winter.
It tastes yucky.
Ah, because it's a toy. It's
Ew.
not a real orange. Okay. The last fruit. Oh. Delicious. The last fruit Evan is going to cut is
Grape.
grapes. And what color are grapes?
Purple and green.
That's right. The leaf is green, the bottom is purple. Yay!
That's your favorite.
Oh, yeah.
Grape.
That's right. Who cannot eat grapes? Who is not allowed to eat grapes? You can eat grapes.
I don't want to eat.
You don't want to eat grapes? Dogs are not allowed to eat grapes. They're toxic to them. But you can eat all you want.
Tastes icky.
Oh no. Okay, which is fruit and which is vegetable? Do you know, Evan? The fruits usually are sweet.
This is a vegetable.
Banana is fruit. Eggplant is vegetable. So now we got a lot of fruits actually,
Wait.
and just a few
Wait,
vegetables.
Mommy.
Can you count all the fruits we had here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5.
And how many vegetables do we have?
1, 2, 3.
Good job.
This is